Have you ever wondered how the devices around you actually work? From your smartphone and laptop, to the television, refrigerator, and even the small charger that keeps your battery alive. All of them depend on electronics. In today's world, electronics is not just a subject for engineers or scientists. It is the backbone of modern life. Every light that turns on with a switch, every sound that comes through a speaker, and every image on a screen is the result of electronic components working together. This is why becoming an electronics technician is such an exciting journey. It gives you the power not only to understand how these things work, but also to repair, improve, and even create them. But where do you begin? For many beginners, electronics can look intimidating. The inside of a circuit board seems like a maze of tiny parts and connections. At first glance, it may feel like a secret language only experts can read. Yet the truth is, every technician started with zero knowledge. They were also beginners once, confused by the same wires, symbols, and strange words like resistor, transistor, or capacitor. The journey of becoming an electronics technician is not about instant mastery. It is about building step by step, from the very basics to more advanced skills. Just like learning a new language, at first you start with simple words and phrases. Then gradually you can form sentences, and finally you can speak fluently. In the same way, electronics starts with small ideas: voltage, current, and resistance. Once you understand these, everything else begins to make sense. Why should you consider this path? First, electronic skills are highly practical. When something in your home breaks, maybe a fan stops spinning, or a power supply no longer works, you could try to repair it instead of throwing away. This not only saves money, but also reduces electronic waste, which is a growing environmental problem. Second, electronics can become a career. Skilled technicians are always in demand. In repair shops, factories, telecommunications, renewable energy, and even medical equipment maintenance. With the right knowledge, you can even start your own business. But beyond career and money, electronics gives you a deeper kind of satisfaction: the joy of solving problems. Imagine you are holding a broken radio. At first, it makes no sound. You open it up, carefully examine the circuit, and after testing with your tools, you find that one tiny capacitor has failed. You replace it, and suddenly the radio comes back to life. That feeling, the moment you bring something dead back to working condition, is one of the greatest rewards in this field that in this series, we will explore step by step how to begin your journey. You will learn the basics of electricity, the essential tools you need, how to build your first circuits, and how to practice safely. You will also discover learning resources, communities that can support you, and a mindset you need to grow as a technician. So, if you are ready, take a deep breath. Don't worry if you know nothing yet. Curiosity is the only requirement. Every expert you see today once asked the same simple question: how do I start? And now, it's your turn to begin this journey into the fascinating world of electronics.